Well placed. Should get a couple of runs.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Shot! That's so beautifully played.
Will he take on the bowler again? Let's see. Oh, he has hit this one, Miles. Straight over the top for 6. He looks in good batting form here. Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played. He is wonderful to watch when in full flow.
Oh, excellent delivery. Making the batsmen struggle for runs with their bowling and field placements. This is excellent from the captain. Pacer introduced from the other end.
The batsman is all set to face his first ball.
That has been crunched for 4. Wonder where the next one's gonna fly.
Batsman pushes it gently towards the gap for a single. Good fielding effort, saved runs for his side. Captain going for wickets, slips in place.
He goes from top and in the gap as well.
He looks in good batting form here.
Poor shot from the batsman. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
Oh, that looks ugly. Batsman took his eyes off the ball and got stuck on the body.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end. Good bowling from the bowler, making slight adjustments, and he's gone. Walking back to the pavilion, disappointed.
Well played for a single. Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire.
Bowler has got a fielder at deep extra cover.
got enough on that one to put it over the ropes. That's 6.
He's making the bowler look ordinary here. What's next?
Well placed for single. Good rotation of strike.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
Good call by the batsman. Very good running. He looks more comfortable with the pace on the ball. Should be a comfortable 2 there. Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen.
Testing the batsman with short serve would be a good idea on this pitch.
The batsman fails to put bat on that ball. Pacer brought into the attack from the other end. Fielder at deep extra cover for extra protection.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling.
The batsman was trying to manufacture a shot there. Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there.
Good shot. Very clean that. Nice pick-up shot. Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise. Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans. Brilliantly bowled. Batsman looking to play some shots but goes past the bat.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end.
The batsman fails to put bat on that ball. Interesting to see how much spin is there on this pitch. This is turning out to be a spectacular match, and people here are completely into the game now.
That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again.
Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be. Up and over. Superb timing.
This is brilliant batting from the batsman. Oh, brute of a delivery.
Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field.
The batsmen are in a hurry and they comfortably run to here.
Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen.
There is a fielder at cover. Vicious, really vicious, right at the target.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
That's a good shot ball. Nasty blue.
Bowlers need to hit that corridor of uncertainty consistently to try and restrict the batsman.
That's nasty. The batsman has taken a solid blow there.